Hello and welcome to my cat tricks channel. It's about making SolidWorks tutorial for beginner. So let's start. First, I will make a sketch. I will choose a plane, top plane. Then I will make rectangular. Here I will add the dimensions, vertical dimension. Then I will choose line. I will draw the inner lines, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and vertical. Then I will add dimensions for these lines. Then I will choose trim. Then I will choose from feature. I will choose extrude feature. I will add the value. Okay, that's it. It's very easy and simple. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.